Building a business isn't just about systems and metrics. It's about creating meaningful connections and delivering real value. This strategy guide will help you grow your business in a way that feels natural and sustainable, while keeping both your team and customers at heart. 1. Understanding your current position. The reality check before rushing into growth strategies. Take an honest look at where your business stands today. Ask yourself, what makes your customers' eyes light up when they talk about your product or service? Where do you consistently hear frustration from your team or customers? Which parts of your business give you energy and which drain you? Finding your focus. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, identify your business's primary constraint. Look for the one area that, if improved, would create the biggest positive ripple effect across your entire operation. 2. The 4 growth pillars. 1. Building your audience. Lead generation. Make attracting customers feel less like hunting and more like magnetic attraction. Craft a story that naturally draws people to your business. Show up consistently where your ideal customers already spend time. Create content that helps solve real problems even before people become customers. Build genuine relationships in your industry and community. 2. Nurturing relationships. Lead nurturing. Transform cold prospects into warm connections. Share authentic behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. And create valuable touchpoints that educate and engage. Develop a community around your brand. And make every interaction feel personal and meaningful. 3. Converting with confidence. Sales. Shift from selling to helping people make good decisions. Focus on understanding customer needs before presenting solutions. Create a sales process that feels like a natural conversation. Build trust through transparency and honest recommendations. And make it easy for customers to say yes by removing friction points. 4. Delivering excellence. Fulfillment. Turn customers into enthusiastic advocates. Exceed expectations consistently but sustainably. Create memorable moments throughout the customer journey. And build systems that scale without losing the human touch. Gather and act on customer feedback regularly. 3. Implementation strategy. Start small, think big, rather than overhauling everything at once. Choose one pillar to focus on first. Set a single meaningful goal within that pillar. And create 3 specific actions you can take this week. Measure impact through both data and customer feedback. Creating sustainable systems. Build processes that feel natural to your team. It can grow with your business. Maintain quality as you scale. Support rather than replace human connection. The feedback loop. Establish regular check-ins to gather insights from your team and customers. Adjust strategies based on real-world results. Celebrate wins and learn from setbacks. Keep your growth aligned with your values. 4. Common pitfalls and solutions. Watch out for trying to scale too quickly without proper foundation. Losing personal touch in pursuit of efficiency. Overcomplicating simple processes. Focusing on metrics at the expense of relationships. Solutions. Prioritize sustainable growth over rapid expansion. Build systems that enhance rather than replace human interaction. And regularly simplify and streamline processes. Balance quantitative metrics with qualitative feedback. Remember that scaling your business isn't just about getting bigger, it's about getting better at serving your customers and creating value. Focus on progress over perfection, and let your growth be guided by both data and human insight.